Warm day, great atmosphere. It's a really good turnout for the first day. Well received from the market. It's been executed well. It's a new beginning. It's a different experience from our past launches. The Walden's a very unique offering. It's the actual design, the way it's been laid out. It's very unique, uninterrupted harbour views. It's got great amenities here with a clubhouse. It's got a pool, the gym. It's got a wellness centre, work from home, private dining. It's the next level, something that typically will happen in a commercial mixed-use development. This is a private residence. Very unique offering.